Hi guys, Resin Girl here. Today I'm going to be creating a ocean piece with some different colors than the traditional tones I usually use, like the piece you see behind you or like this piece. I love the traditional ocean pieces, but I thought I'd try something a little different. So today we're going to be using some pinks, purples, blues, a little gold and a little white to create an ethereal sort of ocean cloud piece. So let's get started. I used mica powder that I found on Amazon, and I will send links below. And I mixed it with art resin from artresin.ca, and I will also put their link below. These colors are so beautiful and soft and pearly. It's wonderful to work with them. Is the final piece. I'm going to call this piece Mermaid Ocean.